So I said to Case at Apex Auto Works, I'd be interested in a little project, you know, something that's a quick, easy flip, anything sort of under 10 grand. So very next day he comes to me with a crashed C63 AMG. Not exactly what I had in mind. Have always wanted one. Very first day at Mercedes, all I could think of was, I'm going to get to drive AMGs. This is fantastic. Didn't care about the $7 an hour, just wanted to drive AMGs. And yeah, have never had the opportunity to sort of have one of my own, or would even think it's possible. This is probably going to be the best chance for a while. Or if it's worse than it looks, then track car. And if it's worse than that, then yeah, get rid of it and dress it up, sell it off. So yeah, on our way to Apex Auto Works at the minute to see just how bad it is. Enjoy. Sent Case out to buy a Mercedes. Yep, sent him out with a big stack of cash. Thought it was a pretty good deal. You didn't tell me it was blue in the ad though.
No. Look at this funny fella.
It's not exactly what I expected, but...
I heard on the internet that it can do an elk test.
You heard
we'll
wrong.
have to find out.
Pretty sure we got ripped off though, because it is missing. If anyone has seen it has a clutch pedal for a A160, let us know, because it is missing.
Just like my hair.
Very good. Alright, let's go see the other one.
And our latest financial mistake. Angry German brat boy.
Oh.
Rude.
What's that, 5 cents? 20 cents?
5, isn't it?
10 cents.
Investment's already paying off.
Damn.
You can fit so many amps in this bad boy. The previous owner had a bit of a fetish for car audio. That's also a subwoofer box, and that is not actually the back seats. Because if you want to drop them,
Right.
at least that comes with a pillow or a blanket.
Yeah, well...
Christmas has been and gone, but we'll be ready for December. Never too early to get prepared.
Altezza tail lights. I like that. That's pretty...
That's pretty groovy.
Yeah.
Very Tokyo Drift. Fixed.
Jesus Christ. Oh, wow.
They're hot.
Yeah. That's like C32 spec. Like, damn. Wow. This is all that matters. Yeah, there's some little scratches, but we've got great engine from Stefan. I don't even know what the fuck that says, but thank you.
You want to check out some new proprietary tech? Patent pending by Apex Auto Works. These are these lightweight racing rims.
Oh.
You've heard of floating hubcaps, we've now got floating wheels.
It's fucking Bluetooth.
Come on mate, you're all the time. Wi-Fi, only Wi-Fi around here.
It's really not as... It's pretty fucked.
Yeah,
But
you know the best part? I finally have my spare space saver.
What could you possibly want with one of those?
Skids.
Yeah, because it struggles at the moment. Very good. Alright.
I'm ready to pull all this top stuff off, but radio just split. That's a little bent. Front's all no good, but power steering pump. We have our pyro fuses gone, so we've had to get slightly agricultural on it. Believe it or not, that has a amperage rating of yes.
I've seen worse shit in the Mercedes workshop, so I'm fine with that. That's permanent too. Well, just cut a hole in the bonnet. Beauty. Alright. Let's look into it further. Well, I've definitely seen worse condition cars, but that was just at a BMW showroom. But,
Rude.
I'm not gonna lie, in the photos it looks like there was a hell of a lot more damage. There's still a fuckload of damage, but the photos were fucking terrifying me.
It's just this corner.
Yeah. This Wookiee's pretty bent. These are bent as a fucking 2-pound bob.
It will skid again though.
Oh yeah.
Like, give me 5 minutes.
Yeah. Put the space savers on.
Don't waste those.
Shed skid.
Oh, I don't know about the shed skid.
Cast on flyber. Cast on flyber. That has got to be one of the quickest rebuilds ever.
Fucking, we work quick around here, mate.
Done. Boom. Those are like good zip ties too, right?
Yeah. Look at that. Fucking, that's 200 mile an hour rated, that is.
It's not tape.
True. Better. Zip ties. You want to see if it'll do the raw?
Yeah, the roar.
Come on, do the raw.
Yeah, the roar. That'd be good.
He does the raw. But will he do a skid?
Fix.
Oh yeah, the door doesn't open from the inside because I didn't do the latch up.
Yeah, that's right. Surely you're taking
Jesus. Fucking driving Rory's fucking new daily. Oh, that's supercharged.
What are you after?
All the buttons. ESP Sport. ESP off.
Yeah. So even in manual mode and in sport mode. See?
Why you do this? I think it's because it's on the brake. Google must provide me answers. Yeah, rude. There we go, now we got it.
Where's the other fucking side? Ow.
How rude. I've done a little one on this side.
Yeah, little. I mean, one headlight and that wheel sort of is a motorbike.
That's Like, that's smaller than that. What is it? What even are these? A 125. It's the same size as my front tyre on the Ducati. That's a 120. 120 or 125?
Wow.
Yeah, 120. 125. Basically the same thing.
Well, that's been on fire less.
We don't know that.
Not yet, but this pyrotechnic fuse looks like you got close to it. At least, see, this is safe. If you're gonna dodgy your pyrotechnic fuse, use something with insulation.
Do not use Coke cans. They are not pyro fuses.
Yeah, that almost turned this into an Italian car.
Yeah.
Woof. Time to get rid of some unnecessary items. What is this? Oh. Unnecessary. How to repair an airbag. Bit of tape across there. Fold this back down. Yep. Fix. Fix. The things that you find in a write-off stolen AMG. Wow.